Hello everybody, this is the unboxing video of Wi-Fi range extender N300, and here is the Wi-Fi range extender N300. And actually I bought this product from the Amazon.in, and here is the purchase bill, that is the Amazon.in. And actually I bought this product from 1900, that is 1899, and in the market the price is up to 2300 to 2400. Now let's go around the box and check it out. It is a wall plug-in, and it has got one port, Ethernet port, and at the back you can see how the range extender is useful to you. This is the Wi-Fi range extender plot, and this is the normal plot of your Wi-Fi, that is the modem or the router. Now let's open this box and check it out. And here is the manual, quick start manual. You can just read this and make your setup, or I'm going to tell you the setup. You can follow me. And here is the Wi-Fi N300 range extender. This is all the stuff, and you can see the Netgear. These are the antennas. You can rotate ups and down. Now let's move around the sides and check out what at the sides. Here is the on-off button or the WPS at the left side, and at the right side you have nothing. At the top you have nothing, and at the bottom you'll be having the factory reset button, and you can connect your LAN or J45. And at the front you have, this is the modem signal, means the modem is going to connect it to this particular here from this antenna. And this is the mobile symbol. When you connect your mobile, this light is going to blow up, and when you are going to connect your modem, this light is going to blow up. This is the on button, this is the signal button, and here is the plug. This thing you want to connect it to your electric board. So I'm going to connect this particular thing to electric board, and I'm going to tell you how to connect this particular thing to your modem, and from this thing you need to do the setup. So here is the thing, let's do it. So I have plugged in the Netgear Wi-Fi range extender to an electrical board, and now let's do the setup thing. First of all, you need to connect that particular Wi-Fi, that is the range extender, and here you can see the Netgear extender. Just click on that and press connect. And here it is connecting, and it is connected. And just go back and go to browser, whether it is Chrome or anything else, and just go and press my Wi-Fi extender.net. Just click on that, and here is the thing. We need to set up the Wi-Fi range extender, new extender setup. Just click on that, and here is the form that you need to fill it out. So I'm going to fill this particular form, and that is asking the email. I'm going to type here is my email ID and the password. Type it something 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and again you need to retype the password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and select a question, and I'm going to press for school, it is DPS, and select another question, and my best friend's name, it is type Max, and now press next. Please wait a moment. And welcome to Netgear Junior. How would you like to use your extender? And now you have the two options, whether Wi-Fi range extender or the access point. I'm going to tell you how to connect it using Wi-Fi range extender. So just click on Wi-Fi range extender, and it is scanning. It is going to check the particular modem. And here is the Netgear router or the modem. So I'm going to connect this particular thing. Just click on this particular button and press next. And here is asking that particular router's password. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 no sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 0 1 4 and 7. Show password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 4 7. Hide it away and press next. Netgear extender. So he's asking whether you would like to use the same password that is your modem is that is the router is having the same password. If you would like to use the same password, press same as the existing password, that is the network password, or you can choose the different password for this particular modem, that is the Netgear Wi-Fi range extender. Now I'm going to choose the same password for the router N300, and this is the same password for the Netgear N300 Wi-Fi range extender. So press next. Applying your settings, this may take up to a minute. So the range extender has connected to the router, that is the N600, and press continue now. So it has been connected, and now you can just connect to your range extender. Just go and press connect. So it has been connected. And just go to browser and type google.com. So here we have successfully connected to the range extender. First we have connected this particular phone to the range extender, and this range extender is connected to this particular Netgear, that is my original modem or the router. So these two has been paired, and I'm getting the Wi-Fi that is in the range extender. So you can just go and press anything else. Mhm. So your net Wi-Fi range extender is working. So I hope this video is useful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel, and best of luck. Thank you.